Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope that this video finds you well. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of something that I picked up from the Chanel 22P Spring Summer Pre-collection. And I can't wait to show you guys this item because in my opinion, this is probably the biggest bang for your buck that we can get from Chanel these days. So let's go ahead to unbox this little thing. Oh, it comes in a two-piece box like that, not the usual one with the magnetic opening. There is a care card. It comes in this beautiful felt black bag with the Chanel logo over here. And I love the texture of this bag. It feels like felt fabric. Let's go ahead to open this up. Ta-da! And revealing this little baby. Look at this cutie. It's a true unboxing, so this is the first time I'm looking at it fresh from the box. Revealing this little cutie. Clutch with chain from the Chanel 22P Spring Summer Pre-collection Travel Series. Let's go ahead to remove these. Aww, how cute! Look how cute she is. Let me come closer to the camera. Look at this little cutie. This is from the nylon travel series of this collection, and this is the first time that Chanel is embarking on a nylon series such as this, and it's quite controversial because some critics feel that they should just stick to the leather series of lambskin, caviar, goatskin and such, and not venture into nylon material, which some people may feel that it looks cheap. But I personally like it. I find it really cute. I like the fact that they use nylon and it's for travel, right? Since this is a travel series, why not, try something different such as nylon, which is a little bit hardier. You don't really have to worry about, scuffs on a leather bag when you travel. After all, it is a travel bag. It's supposed to be carefree, free and easy, really easy to use. And I find it really cute. I like how they have incorporated the classic features of Chanel. There is this huge CC logo here in the gold tone hardware, which is nice and antique and yellow. And also they use this grosgrain material to interweave it to resemble the diamond quilted design from the Chanel handbags. So this is sewn very nicely onto the nylon, both front and back over here. And I love how they use the grosgrain to interweave with the gold tone hardware over here and all across the back here. So it's not a functional feature, it's more like a decorative feature, but it's really, really pretty. There's this leather lining around the zipper area, like that. The top handle is also made of leather. It's probably calf skin. And I like how the chains are gold toned and interweaved with leather. This is how they look, just like that. There's these two cute little buttons by the side that you can actually, really use it just like that. If you don't want this thing to be flapping out, you can just press it in and it'll look like that. There is an authenticity card because this is considered an SLG, so it still has the authenticity card right over here. It's a 22P clutch with chain. Let me show you what's on the inside. It has one single compartment, very spacious for a clutch with chain, and it's got 4 card holders, card slots right over here. And it says here Chanel made in Italy. This was the first item that I set my eyes on when Chanel 22P collection first launched, because I just thought that it looked really cute and it's something really different, and it's under the Travel Series collection. And since it's from the Travel Series collection, it kind of brings a sense of hope that hey, I can be traveling again soon. It's been 2 years since we all traveled to anywhere, right? There are also about 4 or 5 other items in this Travel Series collection. There is this travel pouch with an eye mask. There is also a foldable tote bag which you can double up as a clutch, and I thought that's really cute as well. The website also shows this huge maxi bowling bag which looks really big. I didn't see it in person, but it looks really big on the website. You can probably, use it for an overnight bag. So coming back to this controversy around this little bag, Prada has been known to do nylon bags since the 1980s. And more recently, Burberry also embarked on these nylon rucksack backpacks, which I got one here. I picked up this little cute backpack from Burberry when I was traveling in Tokyo in 2016. So I find that these nylon bags can be really stylish and easy to wear, and really good for travel. I'm not afraid of being caught in the rain, and I find that it's really hardy. It's been about 6 years now, and this nylon backpack still looks as good as new. Let me put it on to show you. So this is how it looks. Isn't she cute? This is the only other nylon bag that I got in my collection from Burberry. So joining this Burberry backpack is my cutie little Chanel. Let me show you how mighty this little thing is by quickly doing what fits in this bag. I'm gonna go ahead to show you what can fit into this little bag. I've got my Chanel card holder here. Let me just put this right in. A tissue pouch. This one goes in there. A hand sanitizer over here. My car key. This one goes to the top. It's gonna be really tight, so I'm gonna need to forgo my hand sanitizer and just have my car keys in there, and I can zip this up very comfortably. This is how it looks like. I've got my Chanel card holder, a couple of packets of tissue. I can fit my car key on the top, and maybe even put in one lipstick on the top, and it can close really comfortably. Look at this. Ta-da! For so much that this little thing can fit, that brings me to the point that you can get the biggest bang for your buck with this item. The price point, this is the receipt. So it says here, small leather goods, and I paid 2,530 Singapore dollars. At this price point, it's the cheapest clutch with chain that we can find at Chanel. And all the other Chanel clutch with chains are currently retailing at about 3,000 to 3,500, 4,000 Singapore dollars. And you can't even put this many items in them. I mean, granted, those are probably made of full leather in lambskin or calfskin or grained leather. But I Yeah, I like this. and happy being able to bring this for my next travel. I'll wear this bag to show you how it looks on me. This is one style that I go for. I'll pair it with this long summer maxi dress from Zara and this pair of Chanel sandals. And I really like that with the top handle too. And of course, crossbody just like that. This is the other style that I'll go for my travels or for a cool casual day out. Just in a very simple jeans and a little sweat top. We've come to the end of this video now, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing with me. Do let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this bag, and if there's also something from the nylon travel series that you're considering, or if this is just not your style. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!